When I'm saying that studying with nature, I mean, just imagine that this place is, and in this place, you came here early in the morning for study. You sat somewhere and you started study. Just imagine that how beautiful the environment is, and beautiful nature. So when you are studying, your mood is happy, you feel happy, you are energetic, you are powerful, you are motivated. And imagine the situation, you sat in a room for study. You are alone, there are books and walls and nothing. It's so boring. So my point is that studying in the nature like this is a beautiful experience, and this is not at all a distraction.